What's up, guys? Skip from Skip Rides here with Mr. Dad holding the camera. Thanks, Dad. We got brand new custom handlebars for the Yamaha Bolt. They're gonna look so freaking sweet. We're gonna crack right into it. So these are from Zombie Performance. My man Stephan, whatever his name was, thank you very much. Ooh. Yeah, they're looking good. So I should start with this. First of all, UPS, screw you. Lost my fucking package for like a week. Not only did they lose my package, okay, but I ordered it and I paid extra to get it a little sooner, and that's when they told me it was lost. They didn't even have decency to tell. So long story short, never going through UPS again. Never going through UPS. Anyways, so the bike's apart. I have a couple of dents already on the tank, so I just took it clean off. It's already off. Super easy, by the way, if you're interested. And we just have a couple of things to tear off. I have a box, I think over there. Brand new cables, brand new brake line. It's gonna be sweet. And I got a brand new handle because this one's still messed up from last year. But it's not exactly rocket science. What does suck is the clutch cable does run all the way through. This is it. You have to undo this. I have to undo this. I'm gonna try and just snake it under there if I can, because I really don't want to take this nice zip tie off. But yeah, we're tight. Look at that. How am I even supposed to? Well, I'll let you guys know how it goes. There he goes. What's up, guys? Second day. Handlebars, you know how it is. We got them looking pretty decent so far. We've just been extra cautious not to damage anything, but there's one flaw that if you go get these handlebars, you should know for the Yamaha Bolt. See this hole? This hole is designed to fit the this thing around the bars. This little nub, if you can see that. Right there. Why isn't this focusing? Whatever. That nub needs to be on the handlebar because, see that? See the space? But if you come down here, the nub fits right in, just to hold it in place. So right now we're drilling a hole to make it fit, but more on that a little bit later. All right, here we are for the final product. Let's just check out what that view looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, they look really good. I hate looking at the cables, but long story short, if you guys are gonna get these, this is what they look like. Now, you do have to get the extended cables. You do not need extended wires. You can just reroute them. That's why the tank was off. But these were like 200 bucks. But luckily the bars themselves, total were like 180, 155 plus shipping, pretty sure. But no, check it out. The new freaking cables feel really good. Really good. But yeah, so they're pull back because I was getting tired of reaching way forward. I mean, the other ones are probably way out here. And even though that's like a couple inches, definitely matters quite a bit. Definitely matters. But I think it looks pretty smickin' shirt. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. New right here. Follow it up. Pretty nice. They fit, but it's like the other one was fat for whatever reason. Repainted that real quick. Why not? In this little piece. And you're gonna have to cable tie the rest of this. But long story short, feels really good. But yeah, we'll be checking out some new videos soon. Appreciate it.
Yo, Skip from Skip Rides. Just about to close out whatever video you're watching. I just wanted to make sure I had the right stuff for you guys. So I wanted to wait 2 weeks before I was able to, you know, show you guys what was going on with the bars. So after 2 weeks and, you know, a couple of bigger rides, they're really comfortable. Really comfortable. Stephan from Zombie Performance, like, these are sweet. These are excellent. Look at this. Look at the little rake too. Comes up, shoots back. Then you get probably another like 1.5 to 2 inches of even additional pullback from the riser themselves. Riser stops like right there. So super comfy. Give you guys, like, you've probably seen the videos what the cockpit looks like. So that's what we have there. Got the puppers. But yeah, the new cables, definitely really nice. These are the ones from Revzilla Baron kit. Yeah, the Baron. like the Baron slip-on, that company, they make the kit for it. No, these have been great. This has not felt better literally since I've owned the bike. Clutch feels super nice. Brake, it's brakes. I don't really feel much of a difference. But yeah, these are so nice. Nice powder coat. Hell of a lot cheaper than the Dean Speed ones. And kind of like how they're not super duper thick. You know what I mean? Like, this is nice that I could put right there in the middle. A couple of things you should know when you're doing it. Earlier in the video, I pointed out how you needed to drill a hole to fit this sort of assembly here. That's still the case. You have to drill that hole, which is kind of annoying. And because the powder coat's so thick, which is good, I like a thick powder coat personally, but this wouldn't fit on originally. So in the video, you can see it, how this is all bare. I literally had to take a grinder wheel and grind this all down to fit this on. Just so you know, under this, you'll see, if you go back in the video, you'll see it. But besides that, I mean, everything worked out perfectly. It was just a little bit extra work to make sure all that worked out nicely. But yeah, let me know what you think of the bars. And hey, Zombie Performance, these are freaking sweet. Perfect setup for the Bolt. Just a little tiny bit of work on the back end, but right on. Hope you guys like it.